ever felt like you're doing well financially even though you're not drowning sa utang or asking for help? Truth is, you might be doing better than you think. Today's video will break down 7 simple signs you're actually doing well financially, even if it doesn't feel like it. Sign number 1, you can pay your bills on time. Have you ever felt na nababayaran nyo yung utang nyo kahit hindi naman kalakihan yung sweldo nyo? Well, if your bills are getting paid on time every month, that's a solid sign. It means you're managing your cash flow really well. And you're avoiding late fees or penalties. Kasi ngayon, naiintindihan nyo na po na mas makakamahal ka kapag late ka na magbabayad at malaki na yung interest sa panahon ngayon. It doesn't matter if you're making 6 figures monthly as long as you are diligent in paying your bills and staying current. That's what matters more. Sign number 2, you have an emergency fund. Magkano na bang naipon natin na emergency fund dyan? Alam niyo ba na kahit it's just a few hundred peso or few dollars na inilalagay niyo po for your emergency savings, then you are ahead of most people. I know most of us doesn't regularly put aside money for emergency, but I need to emphasize this, na it's very important to save for your emergency. Aside from having regular savings, it is important din po na maglaan kayo for your emergency fund. Wag naman po sanang mangyari, knock on wood, na magagamit niyo yun, pero at least meron po kayong nakasave for your emergency just in case. Emergency fund is unique to individual needs naman po. So if you already have a budget and you already know your expenses monthly, then it's more easier for you to navigate or budget your emergency funds. So it's always up to you if how many percent you want to save your emergency funds. So most of the people I know save at least 10% from their monthly income, but if you can only save less than 10%, or maybe 5% or 3%, 1%, kahit ilang percent po yan, that's totally fine as long as you keep money for your emergency fund. So if an unexpected expense won't completely destroy your finances, you're on the right track. So for more information on where to put your money for savings and emergency funds for a higher yield return, then check out my videos up here or in my description box below for you to learn more about it. Sign number 3, you're not living paycheck to paycheck. So if you're budgeting like income minus expense and then there's a little money left after your expenses, even maliit lang na amount po yan, then you're in a better position than many. Not all people can manage to have extra money after an expense. So if you're in that position that you're not living paycheck to paycheck anymore, then you're doing better. That breathing room for you means less stress and more flexibility. Sign number 4, you're paying down your debt slowly. Kung wala kang utang, so congrats po. But if you still have utang, well, that's okay. As long as you're consistently making payments. I repeat, consistently making payments. Kahit maliit lang po na amount, basta binabayaran niyo po yung utang niyo consistently, then you're already winning. Your balance will slowly go down nang hindi niyo po namamalayan. Progress is more important than perfection. Sign number 5 that you're doing well financially, you have a budget or financial plan. Budgeting and planning should always go together because having a plan for your money shows you're being intentional. You know where your money is going instead of wondering where it went. At mafe-feel confident ka rin kasi alam mong it's all in your budget frame. So that's a major financial milestone. Now before we dive into our next sign, and you feel that all the things I mentioned interest you a lot, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Sign number 6, you're investing for the future. Aside from budgeting, saving, or intentional spending, are you also investing? If yes, that's a good sign. Whether it's retirement savings like Pag-ibig MP2, SSS, JSIS, mutual funds, stocks, or even micro-investing. Kahit isa lang po dyan, basta you're putting anything into your future is a big win. It means you're setting yourself up for a long-term stability. Sign number 7. Money isn't always stressing you out. If money isn't keeping you up at night anymore, that's a huge sign for your progress. We all wish this kind of situation, diba? Because financial peace of mind is priceless. And it means you're gaining control of your money. So even if you're not rich, or let's say you're not yet there, give yourself a credit. If you're doing all these things, you're already doing well. So ilan na po yung signs na meron kayo ngayon? Let me know in the comment section below. And if this helped, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel or watch more of my videos for more ideas, and see you in my next one. Bye!